Guys, John here, and I tell you what, I sound fantastic today. It's not this 55SH iconic Shure microphone in front of me. It's not this podcast mic, the MV7. Beautiful mic, that one. And it's definitely not this SM63 interview mic that is in front of me. That's not even plugged in. Of course, it's not that one. I'm talking today about a microphone that you probably can't even see. It's right here. It's called the Move Mic, and it's from a brand new family of content creation microphones from Shure. The Move Mic, the Move Mic 2, and the Move Mic Kit. Now, the Move Mic 2 is the one I'm wearing. It is a 2-channel version, 2 channels of wireless Bluetooth audio. Look how small that thing is. 2 inches big, my word. Awesome. The Move Mic Kit is the same as the 2, but it has a little wireless receiver that clips onto a camera as well, and it's got a 3.5mm output, so you can plug it directly in via analog sources. It's also got a USB audio interface built into the Move Mic Kit receiver as well. So what is this thing? Well, first of all, it's tiny. It's a 2-channel lavalier lapel mic system, wireless Bluetooth, no additional hardware required. Straight to your phone. That's so handy. 24-bit audio, and all the audio sends through the Motive app, which has got custom acoustics designed to make this thing sound incredible. Crystal clear, you can adjust the gain, all that goodness as well. It's got 24 hours of charge, which is probably the best thing ever, I reckon, because you got 8 hours charge in here, and then another 2 charges worth if you pop them back into the case. Just like a pair of AirPods, the charge is in the case. You've got another 2 charges worth in there, so 24 hours total. 24-bit audio as well, which is awesome, and lightning fast setup. This thing was up and running in 2 minutes using the Motive app, and takes about 5 or 6 seconds to pair as well. Amazing product. It's so good to get into the content creation space with a product like this. Bulletproof kind of product from Shure, just like usual with Shure. This thing is able to withstand rain, spills, splashes, that sort of thing. It's IPX4 rated, and it's perfect for the content creator, videographer, mobile journalist, podcaster, anyone that wants to be on the go and use the mic. And in fact, as you can see, I'm going to walk straight down the end of my house here, and the audio quality sounds the same. Boom, just like that. How cool is this product? I'm going to use this thing quite a bit over the next few weeks, I reckon. What a rad product. Let's do an unboxing. It's the Move Mic, brand new from Shure.